I think they can fly.
Those are baby birds that fell in the tree. They're still alive.
She give me a puppy.
She's just licking him.
She will be in CNN. Laying her down and making her look like they're nursing.
It's on Yahoo. Yahoo front page. Look at her.
Mom's not gonna come back.
Look at her. Oh, boy.
Are you recording now?
Yep.
What if the monster's coming and attacking us?
I did that to a mouse once to my grandma's dog, Dolly. Remember Queenie and Dolly?
Macy, go get some.
From getting on their own, are they?
See, look at she's looking at me. There's a natural instinct.
She's very...
Hey, flip a nip off.
Oh, it's getting angry at her.
That's why I want her to have puppies. She should be a really good mama.
Trying to move them.
Be a fat mama, but she's been thinning down. She hasn't been eating lately. I thought we thought she was sick and stuff, but I think it was because the other dog.
Get down.
I want that.
Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl.
She starts spitting out puking in
Look at them. Look at them ugly things.
Here's your birdie. Look at your birdie.
Oh, yes, I know. Yeah, no kidding, huh?
I'm just gonna watch. Hey, watch, girl. That's too much. It's skinny.
Now it's gonna be attached to you when it gets older.
It's gonna come and fly and crap on my car just because.
Hey, I'm hungry, Dad. Megan with you. Aww.
That's got to be enough. How much can a little bird eat, man?
Those are birds, and we're gonna watch them. Macy.
What?
Some of them might not make it, but we could save like maybe 2 of them,
really.
3 of them.
What?
It's better to save one than the other. See, he's a runt. He's not as good as he's probably has less of a chance of surviving. Oh, the poor babies.
Make sure to wash your hands after you touch them.
He's taking care of them. Be a little more gentle, Macy. She's trying to get him in the nest. That's cute.
He wants to eat now.
Oh. Take this worm up.
Hey, eat that worm. Not the bird.
Probably not. To be honest with you.
They can't eat it all.
Niece, come on.
Yeah, Matt, you gotta chew it.
Squish it. Just go mush it.
Break it real small
Yeah,
pieces.
little pieces.
Go mush it.
Oh, you two babies.